Welcome to another Willard Library Virtual Crafternoon. In this video, you will learn how to make a yarn-wrapped vase for your spring flowers. Craft supply kits for this project are located at the Adult Services desk at Willard Library while supplies last. Each craft kit contains one 12-ounce glass bottle, one small paintbrush, a 10 milliliter container of tacky glue, and 4 pieces of yarn in different spring colors. Each one measures about 12 feet. You will also need one pair of scissors. To begin, choose the color of yarn that you want to be at the bottom of your vase. Open your tacky glue and lay out the lid just like this. You can use that lid as a place to rest your paintbrush. Start by painting a stripe of glue around the bottom of your vase. Keep in mind that this is your project, so you can make as many yarn rows as you would like, in whichever colors you would like, in whichever order you would like. It's completely up to you, and there is no right or wrong way. Take the end of your yarn and place it at one of the corners of the vase, then carefully wrap it around, just like this. Straighten and adjust the yarn as you go before the glue dries. Personally, I found it easiest to twist the vase in one hand and wrap the yarn with the other. Whenever you're ready, go ahead and take your paintbrush and add another stripe of glue. Then simply repeat the wrapping process. Now I'm ready to change my yarn to a different color. I'm going to stop at the same corner where I started the yarn and take my scissors and cut. When you start your new color, add more glue and line up the yarn where you left off, just like this. By cutting the yarn in the same corner each time, you will end up making your vase look more neat and uniform. Continue this gluing and wrapping process, making as many stripes as you would like. Now that I have finished wrapping my vase, I'm going to go back and glue down each of the yarn ends. This will keep them secure and stop them from fraying. Once the glue has dried, use your leftover yarn to tie a small bow around the vase as a finishing touch. All you need now are some bright, happy spring flowers.